Hello everyone. Today we are solving an example on Turing machine. The question is we have to design a Turing machine for the language a raised to n and b raised to n for n greater than equals to 1. So let's see first what is the mathematical model of Turing machine. It is m q this q0 b f. It is called as finite set of states, called as input alphabets. It is called as a tape alphabet. It is a transition function. It is a starting state. It is a final state, and it is tape symbol. Turing machine contains a tape in which this is a tape symbol, capital B. Okay, so we have to start solving this example Turing machine for the language. So as usual, our step 1 will be theory, and step 2 will be we have to write the logic. Okay, in logic what it will be, first we have to write like q is what are the states, input alphabet is a comma b, tape symbol a b, and I will continue what I will do here. Q0 is our starting state and final state will be qf, and tape symbol will be tape symbol only. Okay, now see, in Turing machine how the input will come. Input will come like B. It's just an example. Since it the Turing machine, there will be tape symbols. This. Okay, this is like a tape. In this way the input will come to the Turing machine. These are the B, means a raised to n, so I am taking here n equals to 2. Okay, so n equals to 2, B, these are the tape symbol, that is B. Okay, special tape symbol, and this is B, and again the tape symbol. In this way the input will come in the Turing machine. Okay, so tape alphabet, what can be tape alphabets? A, B, small b, and capital B. So small a, small b, capital B. Now see how I will solve this. In Turing machine we can move left as well as right, as well as we can stop. Okay, like in tape symbol the head, pointer head will be positioning here. It can move right, it can move left, or it can stop. That's why how I will solve this question, I will say first I will make A as X, move right, make B as Y. Okay, now I will say again come left, make A as X and B as, again move right and make B as Y. Okay, so in the tape X and Y will also there, so I will write here X and Y. Okay, I am taking another example. Wait, A B B. This is another example, and here the tape symbol is there. I am writing only once. Okay, here B and B. So based on this I will show you the implementation. Okay, now see, step 3 is implementation. Now I will start with the starting state. What I will say, if you receive here, it is a pointing, head is pointing here, tape head is pointing here. If you receive A, go to Q1 state, make the A as X and move right. Okay, here left is L, R is right, and S is stop. Okay, so what I will do, I will say when I receive A, make it X and move right. So I will make it X and I will move right. Now I got again an A. So what I will say, when you will, now I have made one a as x, what I will do, I will make one b as y. Consecutive means here I will make one a as x, and then I will make one b as y. Then I will again come here and I will make one a as x, and I will again go and make this one b as y. I will trying to keep a count. Okay, so what I will say, may move all the x, make it, means keep it a only and move right. Okay, a, keep it a and move right, no need to change anything. So now see, it has make x and came to 1 q1. Now head is here, head will get a in q1 state, keep it a and move right. So again head will go here, it has got a, keep it a and move right. So head has gone now here. Now see, I have got b. So what I will say, if q1 receives b, make it y and move left. Means I will say make it at y, make it as y and move left. Now after making this as y, it will come to left, it got an a. So what I will say, it is going to q2. So I will say again, if you got an a again, make it a and move left. Again this head will come here, it is getting a. So what I will say, yes, again the a, keep the a as it is and move left. Now see, now it has got x, it has got x, means what I will say, from q2 I will go to q0 again, on x, keep it x, move right. Means here it is x, means on the left also there will be x only, no a or tape symbol b. That's why I am saying, if you got x, keep it x and move right. That's why I came to q0 again, that's why I have made this transition. Okay, now see, again a is as x, make it as x and move right. You have got a. According to this, we have to again go here, and now see, we have came to now y. What we will do, we have received y, now we will go again right, because in the left of y there will be no b, there will always be on the right of the y. That's why I will say, in q1 only, when you will receive y, keep it as y and move right. Okay, this transition is of this only. Okay, now see, it has came here, it has received the y, move to right, on right I got an b. So q1 receiving b, make it as y, and it is saying come to left. So here it make as y, come to left. Now see, on q2 it is getting y. So again what I will say, if you get y, keep it y, move left, because I have to go for search for a again. Okay, so again it has this y and it came to left. Again this a has been said, again go to left. Now this head has came to left, it has received, q2 has received as x. So what it will do, it will say keep x as it is and move to right. Okay, so now the head is here, move to right. Now again it is in q0. So what I will say, a, it has received a, make it x and move right. Now head is pointing here. Now see, in q1 it is receiving y, and I know the b will come always right of y, means okay. So what I will say, if you receive y, keep it y and move right. So it has got y, keep it y, move right. Again y, keep it y, move right. Now see, it has got b, make it as y and come to left. Now it has came left, it has bypassed the this means it has came left. Now based on, now in q2 it is, so q2 is this transition will again move the head here and it will move the head here. Now see, it has got x, that's why it came here. Now see, it is saying move right. Now for this x I came here, move right. On moving right I got the y, means there is no x here. On the right of x there is no a here, sorry, on the right of x there is no a, that's why I got y. What I will say, if in q0 I am getting this y, means there are no a remaining. What I will do, I will say if there is y, keep it y and move right and go to q3. Okay, now what I will say, for every y you just make transition in q3 only and bypass that y move right. Why I am doing this, because there can be a possibility that there can be 3a and 4b. So this first y will be done in this transition, second y here and third y here. If it receives an b, means this blank tape symbol, I will say keep it as b and stop, and this is your final state. Now see, you can see q0, q1, q2, q3, qf. That's why the states will be q0, q1, q2, q3, qf. In this way you have to solve an example, and last you have to solve an example of this. Thank you.